Hello, friends. I must say that we are generating profits that are just absolutely amazing. We are in a excellent channel where we are gutting whoever is on the opposite side, the opposing side. Taking a look at our profit logs, we have people that murder hundreds of percents, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars are being made strictly in our group. I mean, look, one trade, 3 BTC, 3 BTC, 6 Bitcoin made in one. You do the math of one person, one trade. You're missing out if you are not here. And forgive me if you think I'm shilling, but it's for a good cause, because chances are is that we are doing better than you are doing by yourself or wherever you are and whoever you are part of. And we only have, we're still sub 500 members, and there's thousands of you. I am ashamed of you who are not in. I give you specials. I discount the price because I know in the end you are going to be better off. So, $50 off the lifetime membership. Typically it's $500 for a lifetime donation. It's $450 right now for the next 24 hours. The $250 membership through April 6th is still valid as well if you want to take that route. Anyways, taking a look here, boy, we have members that have been shorting these, and you can't get in on the market. This pop comes right down in 10 seconds. So you have to put orders on the books. You have to be a market maker. Also, zoom out. We are in a little inverse head and shoulders, bullish as it may be, bullish, at least up into here, at least hitting this mark. Yes, I still believe in impending doom. I do. But we are taking advantage of longing these bottoms, this 6.618 Fibonacci retracement. We longed the farm, nailed it. Right now, I could tell you, we are in some killer positions right now. Inquiring minds want to know. Scroll down to know how you can too. Ooh. We are pretty much in a trade 24/7. Don't ask. I tell you, there is a stupid question that people ask sometimes. And no offense to you if you've asked it. It's okay. I know people are new. But they go, are these signals for, is it just for BitMEX or Bybit, or can you do it on? The price of Bitcoin's pretty much the same everywhere, people. Besides like BitFinex. And you could even still do the math. Doesn't matter. What exchange? We came up nailed. I'm telling you, these resistance lines are butter. We have made so much crypto off of these lines. This head and shoulders, I'm telling you, we're going to keep maybe knocking on this door. We'll see. We come up here to 3,800, we will come back down. But right now, just focus on what's in front of you. This channel has been paying us for only 10 days. Golly, it seems like we've been in this for 3 weeks. The fractals, the pattern Fibonacci as we like to call them. Let me zoom in and show you. So looking at these little double bottoms we have a double bottom layer. Let me clear this a little bit. we have these double bottoms, and then we go up, and then chill, and then yada yada. So I feel like we are in a longer one now. We have a little double bottom. We cruised up. We could chill sideways a little bit before we come back up again. This is a nice place to long and have a conservative stop loss, or set shorts up here like a few of our members. Yeah. All I can say is, instead of worrying about what the next quote-unquote big move is going to be, the people that have been calling for a major move for the past 10 days have been incorrect. There is so much crypto gains to be scalping these. I mean, golly. Major gains. Even if you're just playing along these lines, the 3600 to the 3560, 3570, major gains. You can just ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, and that's what we've been doing. We are taking what has been given. We are picking the fruit. May I suggest to stay away from the 5 minute. I've spoken with a few of my pupils. What I have found is that the 5 minute has been misleading a many, and always has. It's actually even probably better, even if you're gonna trade the 1 minute, hell, which I don't really do. It's you don't need to. It's no real. I mean, I don't want to say that, but the guys that are the best in the business trade on the larger time frames, whether that's the 15, the hour, the 4 hour, the daily. That's what's going to get you your most bread and butter. But just remember, the trend is your friend until the end. And if you play the trend, when the trend ends, as long as you set yourself up correctly and you have conservative stop losses and whatnot, you will make way more than when the trend ends, and theoretically if you make a wrong move or something. So I am very proud of all my people. Follow the rules. Do not spam. Don't try to offer or sell stolen material from other people's courses or signals. If you do it to them, you're probably going to do it to me, and I'll let you go. I'm going to cut you out. So we should have more members. We have 10,000 subscribers. We should have more members. We should have more people that are changing their lives, kicking major ass, making tons of gains than we have now. And don't get me wrong, I am happy and content to be where we are, but I know that there's, sub 500 people. There's a lot more people in the crypto world that could use our help. So crusade! Go on and crusade! So play the channel. Be patient. The patience will pay off. This is not the time to flop and grope in front of your computer screen. This is a time to set up your trades. Set up, maybe shorts. If let's say you long $100 right here, you short 200 here. So it closes out your 100 long and then adds 100 short. And then boop, okay, now you're another short. Then you do a long for 200. So it closes out your 100 short, longs another 100. And you bing, bang, bing, bang, bing. That's what we have been doing. And you are missing out. And you'll wake up. That's right. You'll wake up and you'll be like, oh shit, my trades are gone. Oh, wow. I have, 50% gains in my account. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. But just remember, protect yourself. Move forward, but look in your rearview mirror. We have all been humbled. We have all taken losses. We've all been knocked down. But those of us who are still around have queens with gowns. Jewelry and crowns. And as I am king and leader of my people, I'd be nothing without you. Nothing. But my people eat! Join me. Join my kingdom. Because this is the best YouTube channel in crypto. I don't read you CoinMarketCap. Maybe I don't repeat and regurgitate the little fickle news from Cointelegraph. Fuck that. You can get that from your own. You can do that yourself. You can look at CoinMarketCap yourself. You don't need some boring bloke to tell you. We focus on what matters here. And all that matters is what we think is going to happen next and how we can profit from the situation currently and what's going to happen next. Make mad gains the true and purest of way. My best pupils don't necessarily sit and wait for my trade signal and only do what I do. They use me as an indicator. They use the charts and the thoughts and the things that I show and make their own decision kind of based off that. You know, I have a life, I have things that I do, so I'm not sitting here all the time, you know. So let's keep rocking and rolling. Let's move forward and look in our rearview mirror. And let's keep getting rich off crypto and enjoying our freedom, because you never know what tomorrow brings. I certainly have had plenty of ups and downs. I have been free and been a slave numerous times, back and forth. And that is why I appreciate these times, and I protect myself, because I never want to be a slave again. And if you are a slave right now, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Believe in yourself, because you can accomplish anything. There is nothing that sets we are all born equal. 2 eyes, a brain, 2 arms, 2 legs. Some people aren't. But if you are a normal human being and you have a brain and 2 arms and 2 legs, nothing separates me from you. Things are simpler. Things don't need to be so complicated. You don't see 100 million indicators. You might see some lines and crayon drawings and support and resistance shit, but keep it simple. And that's what these other people don't want you to know, because they want you to need them. As if you are a beautiful woman with nice, beautiful breasts, and some guy that's never had a pretty woman before needs her to need him, and so maybe he slashes her tires or puts a potato in her car exhaust. Or a woman that would abuse her baby so the baby would cry and need her. Poke her baby just so the baby cries to her. A psycho. That's what these other YouTubers are. And I could name a few. Trust me. So until then, eat your breakfast. Drink your coffee. Go to the gym or something. Take a run. Get some sleep. You don't have to be in a trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And honestly, I'm really just telling that to myself. So scroll down, see how to join us. $50 off for the lifetime membership. I look forward to guiding you, being your leader, and being your friend. Signing off, CryptoFace. Happy Sunday.